Hello guys, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. In case you're new here, welcome. In today's episode, I'm going to showcase on how to prepare tasty omena. And so first things first, I'm going to introduce to you my ingredients for today. And my main ingredient for today is omena, and here is my omena. I have 1 teaspoon of cumin powder. I have tomato puree. I have blended 4 tomatoes, and then I have my 1 tablespoon tomato paste, salt, cooking cream, crushed garlic, coriander, onions, and my cooking oil. So what I'm going to do, I am going to soak my omena in hot water for 10 minutes. Now, as I said, I'm going to soak my omena in hot water, and as you soak your omena in hot water, you need to put at least 1 clove of garlic, because omena has a very strong smell. The reason as to why I am adding hot water in my omena, it's because dried omena is usually dirty, and the hot water is going to help clean the omena. So see you after 10 minutes. It's now after 10 minutes. I am going to transfer my omena into this other bowl. So now here is my omena ready to be fried. Now I want to fry my omena. I'll add a little bit of cooking oil. And I'm going to transfer this omena here. So now I am going to put just a little bit of cooking oil on my saucepan. So now I am going to add my onions. At this point, I am going to add my crushed garlic. So immediately after adding your garlic, make sure to stir continuously, because you know how garlic behaves. So at this point, I am going to add my tomato puree. Hizi nyanya zenye nilikuwa nimeblend ndo naongeza sasa. After adding your tomato puree, cook for about 5 minutes. 5 minutes. And so at this point, I'm going to add my tomato paste. At this point, I will also add my spices. And for my spices, I only have two. I'm using cumin powder and chili with cube. These will be for spices. I would advise you to use spices of your choice. Add just a little bit of salt. And simmer for 3 minutes. Now at this point, I am going to add my cooking cream, then add my omena. Now I am going to add in my omena. So I am not going to overcook my omena because I had fried it on cooking oil. I am now going to add coriander, my last ingredient, my last ingredient. Koroga kidogo. Make sure dania imefikia kila mahali. Alafu na hivyo ndio tumemaliza kupika omena. Omena yetu iko ready, omena yetu iko sawa. So hii omena unaweza serve na ugali, serve na ugali moto. So guys, here's my omena. After showing you how to prepare it, you can serve it with hot ugali. Hey guys, this is our omena after cooking it, and it is very delicious, as you can see. It is also looking awesome. And thank you so much for choosing to watch my recipes. I really appreciate. If you like my content, kindly hit that like button. You can as well give us your thoughts on our comments. You can also share with us what you would like me to prepare next time, and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you, bye, and see you next time.